Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and we're giving you your latest update on how to install drip line irrigation. And this is Manny who's going to be helping us.
Hey, I'm Manny with Village Green, and I'm going to walk you through how we do a drip irrigation install. So first things first, this is the brand we use. It's a Rainbird. It pumps out 0.9 gallons per hour as opposed to gallons per minute for our spray heads. So first things first, you want to get a good look at the area you're going to work in, and what I like to do is do an outline with the drip for that. After we get our outline drawn out, it makes it easier for us to be able to measure out our rows and make sure that they're spaced out a foot apart. And then to make all the cuts and connections, we use some cutters, and these are the couplers that we use for the drip. So all you have to do is go through, cut that there, and then you can easily slide those in. And that is how you connect your drip. These are the staples we use to keep the drip from moving around. Go through. So we want to lay the drip on top of the ground because that makes it easier for you to be able to go back and diagnose it or repair anything here and there, because it's going to be a lot harder to find leaks if it's buried. And it's okay if it's exposed, because we're going to cover it with about 2 to 3 inches of mulch anyways. And then the mulch helps retain the moisture for the drip, and it also helps keep squirrels, rodents away from chewing at it. And yeah, that's about it.
This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.